皆さん、こんにちは。Yuki here. In this video, I'm going to talk about the differences between soda, yoda, rashi. If you haven't watched any of the videos about soda, yoda, or rashi, I highly recommend watching those videos first, since those videos have a lot of example sentences for you to get used to the grammar. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel.Let's start learning about the differences between soda, yoda, and dashi. In this slide, I want to say there are two big meanings in soda, yoda, mitaida, and dashi. First meaning, tell what it looks like. So, example sentence, he seems to be smart. How can we say this? Well, we can say, 彼は頭が良さそうだ。彼は頭が良さそうだ。He seems to be smart. Or, you can use yoda or みたいだ and say 彼は頭が良いようだ。Or, 彼は頭が良いみたいだ。みたいだ is more for speaking, casual, and yoda is more towards the writing or formal. Alright, the second meaning of those words is to tell what you heard. So, example sentence, I heard that they are a couple. You can say, 彼らはカップルだそうだ。彼らはカップルだそうだ。Or, you can use らしい and say, 彼らはカップルらしい。彼らはカップルらしい。Right, so two meanings. Tell what it looks like and tell what you heard. So, let's dig deeper into the first meaning. To tell what it looks like. An example we had was he seems to be smart. You can say, 彼は頭が良さそうだ。Or, you can say, 彼は頭が良いようだ。彼は頭が良いみたいだ。What's the difference? Well, the difference is that 良さそうだ. Soda is used more for first impression, first look. Right, so when you're looking at him, somehow he looks so smart. That's your first impression of him. Right? And then, when you say 彼は頭が良いようだ or 彼は頭が良いみたいだ that's more for second thought. So there was something, there's some kind of context in there. And then you thought, oh, actually, he seems to be smart. Right, so that's the difference. So maybe for Yoda or みたいだ maybe you saw that he got 100% in his test. 100 points out of 100 in his test or something like that. You recognized his smartness. So, as a second thought, oh, he's actually smart. There's some kind of thoughts or, judging there. So that's the difference. Soda is for first look, first impression. Yoda, みたいだ requires some kind of context or second thought. Alright, let's look at example sentence. 彼は怖そうだが、本当は良いやつのようだ。彼は怖そうだが、本当は良いやつのようだ。He looks scary, but he actually seems to be a good guy. Alright, so if you're watching an anime called My Hero Academia, if you're watching the anime, if you look at him at first, you think he looks scary. But actually, there's some context story there. And then actually, he seems to be a good guy. So that's why you use 良いやつのようだ for the second part of the sentence. So, 彼は怖そうだが、本当は良いやつのようだ。Right, let's look at the second meaning. Tell what you heard. So, this is just telling other people what you heard. For example, I heard that they are a couple. 彼らはカップルだそうだ。Or you can say 彼らはカップルらしい。So what's the difference? Well, if you say カップルだそうだ, that means you are telling them what you heard from a source that is pretty reliable. Right? So maybe news or, TV or something that you can trust. So if you hear the soda or if you use the soda, that should be almost a fact. You should have confidence in what you say. What about Dashi? Well, if you use Dashi, it's pretty much a rumor. Maybe you heard someone, but that person also heard from someone else. So the rumor is, very low confidence. I heard it, but I'm not sure. So that's what it means. 彼らはカップルらしい. Well, I heard, but not 100% confident. So that's the difference. Alright, so to talk more about soda, soda is used when you tell exactly what you heard from the source, and then the source should be pretty reliable. So this is exactly what you're doing. You hear from the left and then you just tell what you heard to other person. Alright, example sentence. このカレー屋にはいろいろなカレーがあるそうだ。このカレー屋にはいろいろなカレーがあるそうだ。I heard that there are different kinds of curry in this restaurant. Alright, so このカレー屋にはin this curry restaurant, いろいろなカレーがある. There are different kinds of curry. そうだ. I heard. So you heard that from a reliable source. Maybe you heard it from their commercial on TV, or you heard it from their ads or something like that. Or you heard it from a person who actually went to the restaurant. So you should be pretty confident. Alright, let's look at the next example sentence. 彼はサラのことが好きらしいよ。彼はサラのことが好きらしいよ。There are some rumors around someone liking someone else in a company or in a big company or school or something like that. Sometimes. It means someone told me that he likes Sarah. 彼はサラのことが好きらしいよ。Someone told me that he likes Sarah. Right, so I translated it into someone told me that he likes Sarah because you're not so confident. It's just a rumor. But I wanted to tell you that. There's a nuance to that らしい. It's a rumor, not so confident. So keep that in mind. Alright, so here's the quiz. Please fill the parentheses in this sentence. So you suddenly hear the lightning and then looking at the sky, and then the sky looks kind of dark and scary. And you're going to say, もうすぐ雨が もうすぐ雨が So, もうすぐ that means soon. 雨 that means rain. What's going to go into the parentheses? And I will leave the answer in the description. Another quiz. So you've been waiting, and after waiting for a friend for an hour, you come to a conclusion that he's not coming. 彼はもう Right, so I will again leave the answer in the description. Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching until the end, and I hope to see you in the next one. またね。